Hi, I'm Joss with BEAMFIST, and I'd like to show you the BEAMFIST Stealth WRIST Light. It's the world's first flashlight with a remote control finger switch. This switch controls the lighting modes as well as the functions of the flashlight. We have 300, 75, 25 lumens. If you hold it in for 1 second, it'll turn on a red LED. You can also operate it in exactly the same way using a switch on the side of the wrist flashlight. We have high, medium, and low. If you want to zoom in, grab the exterior of the LED and rotate it, and that will take you into a nice tight beam for detail work, or zoom back out for a nice wide beam. If you don't like the high, medium, and low sequence of the light, you can actually change it. All you have to do is hold the switch in for 5 seconds. The red light will flash a couple of times indicating it's reversed. Now you have low, medium, and high. You can change it back if you just hold it for 5 seconds again. You might not actually like the finger switch, so if you don't, you can take it off. All you have to do is take the flashlight, flip it upside down, disconnect the finger switch, and toss it aside. You now have a fully functioning flashlight using the switch on the side of the wrist flashlight. This also has an internal rechargeable battery. Open the flap on the far side, take the included charger and USB cable, plug it in, and let it charge to its maximum value. I think that's about it. If you have any questions or would like to know anything else, please let us know. Thanks for checking it out, and be excellent to each other.